In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook name. Whether you've recently gotten married, want to use a nickname, or just feel like a change, updating your Facebook name is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening Facebook. This can be done either on your computer or through the mobile app. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile photo. Clicking on your profile photo will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is your go-to hub for managing all the personal settings related to your Facebook account. Once inside Settings and Privacy, you'll see another option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the main settings page, which is where you can make all sorts of adjustments to your account, including changing your name. The next step is to click on the Account Center. This is a relatively new feature on Facebook that centralizes settings for all your linked accounts. If you have multiple accounts or profiles, the Account Center helps you manage them from a single place. After the Account Center loads, look for your name. Clicking on it will take you to your profile settings. Here, you'll find an option labeled Name. Select it, and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can enter your desired first name, middle name, and last name. Facebook will provide you with some guidelines on acceptable name formats, so make sure to follow those to avoid any issues. Once you've entered the new name you wish to use, double-check to ensure everything is spelled correctly. After all, this is how your friends and family will see you on Facebook. When you're satisfied with your new name, click on Review Change. Here, Facebook gives you a chance to see how your name will appear on your profile. You may also be asked to enter your password to confirm the change. This is just a security measure to ensure it's really you making this update. And there you have it. Your Facebook name has now been updated. Remember, Facebook does have certain restrictions on how often you can change your name, so make sure you're happy with your choice. If you encounter any issues, you can always visit Facebook's Help Center for additional support. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped you easily navigate through changing your Facebook name. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with others who might need a little help with their Facebook settings.